Take a look, AI-generated shorts on this channel get millions of views. And yes, YouTube will monetize this kind of AI content. The channel itself earns around $2,000 to $22,000 per month, according to Social Blade. All their videos are 1 minute long and focus on some historical topic. They use ultra-realistic visuals and a voiceover, both generated with AI. Here's the video I ended up making about Viking raids.
No bells, no warning, just the sound of oars. By the time anyone saw the ships, it was already over.
Videos like this can be made in just a few hours, so you can post them consistently. Now, if you want to learn how to do the same, here's their full workflow in 4 steps. Step 1. Script. We will generate the topic and the script using Claude AI. Start a new chat and send prompt number 1. You will get a list of relevant topics. Pick the one you like. Then copy prompt number 2. It will create a script based on your chosen topic. Just paste it and replace the Your Topic field with your topic. That's it, your professional and engaging script is ready. Let's move on. Step 2. Visuals. The idea is simple. First, we generate one AI image for each part of the script. Then we turn those images into video using another AI. I will use OpenArt with Nano Banana and Kling models, but you can choose any alternatives like Higgsfield or Google Flow. Open a new chat in Claude and paste this prompt. Replace your script with the script you generated. It will generate prompts for both images and animation. The AI gives you 5 pairs at a time. After you finish them, just type Next to get 5 more. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab. Select the model Nano Banana 2. In Settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and quality to 2K. Paste your prompt and click Generate. If you don't like the result, just try again. Then click Image to Video or upload the image manually. Paste the motion prompt that was created for that image. I use Kling 3.0 Omni model because of its price and features, but you can also try Veo or Seedance. Click Generate and you will get your video. Repeat this process for all scenes. Use the previous image as a reference for the next one to keep the style consistent. Step 3. Audio. We will create a human-like voiceover using OpenArt. Go to the Audio tab. Choose this 11 Labs model and pick any young and dynamic voice. I will use this one. Paste your script and click Generate. That's it, your voiceover is ready. Step 4. Editing. Now we just need to put everything together. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import all the audio and visuals we created. Start by adding the voiceover, then place the videos on top of the parts they match. Go to the Captions tab and click Generate. The subtitles will be created automatically. After that, just adjust them a bit. Change the size, color, and position to match my style. I also add background music from the CapCut library to improve retention. In the end, just export the final video. You just made it. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss new niches in the future.